Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make underline thicker in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer, then again create a new layer. And type anything. Press Ctrl T. Okay, then double click. You can first of all select choose Arial and click the drop down menu. Simple. Press Ctrl T, increase the size. Then again double click the paragraph options. Then find underline and bold. Thicker this underline. Again double click and remove this underline. Edit custom underline for to thicker. Create a new layer. Right click rectangle tool and use do not use stroke. Then click and drag on your mouse. See this underline size. You can choose your underline size. Then hold Ctrl, select align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.